Assalamu guys, आज हमारा टॉपिक है explain the generation of computer in detail. First generation 1940 to 1956. The first generation computer used vacuum tubes for security and magnetic dumps for storage. They were very expensive to operate and used a great deal of electricity. Generated a lot of heat. Input were based on punch cards, paper tape, and output was printed on paper. This generation computer used machine or binary language. Example first 1 and 0. Example of this generation is Universal Automated Computer UNIVAC. Second generation in 1956 to 1963. The second generation computer used transistor in place of vacuum tubes. The transistors were invented in 1947. These computers become smaller, faster, cheaper, more energy efficient, and reliable. These computers still relied on punch card for input and output. Magnetic core was used for storage. It moved it moved from binary to symbolic assembly language. Example lark IBM 1401 and IBM 7094. Third generation 1964 to 1971. The third generation computer used integrated circuit IC. ICs were made by contrasting the transistor and placing on silicon chip called semiconductors. User interacted with this computer through keyboard and monitor and interfaced with an operating system. High-level programming languages such as Pascal and COBOL were used. Fourth generation 1971 to present. The first generation computer used microprocessor. It made the computer faster, less expensive, smaller, more reliable. They used RAM, ROM, and magnetic storage. More high-level languages were introduced, like C, C++, Java, etc. These computers are used in almost every field of life, like space applications, business, and art world. This generation also saw the development of graphical user interface GUIs. Fifth generation, present and beyond. Fifth generation computer devices are based on artificial intelligence and is still being developed. Computer will be capable of self-learning, reasoning, and generalization. This computer will also be able to process human languages. Thanks.